A lot of times we're behind the desk looking at tech, looking at numbers, looking at charts, looking at graphs, and being on site with these churches, we're seeing how that's making a difference in every life that they're touching. We get to be a part of that.
Our goal is to go out into the community as much as possible. And therefore we have a variety of ways in which we reach out in the community and touch people through our Friendship House, which is our relief ministry, through our mobile Friendship House, which goes into apartment communities, because our goal is to touch as many people in the community as we can.
I've said this before and I'll say it again, the church is a hope for the world. The church is a hope for the world, and we have the opportunity to invite our people to give to the local church so that the gospel is moved forward in a way that brings transformation, brings hope, brings change.
If you're really not part of it, you don't really realize like what it is that they're trying to achieve, and it makes me want to be part of that, like bring more towards the community, not just as a whole, but also like within the company.
I think I'm just so inspired by the way that they are using technology and software to connect with people. They look at their forms, they look at their reports, and they don't just see lists or names. They see people that need help. They need support, they need financial support, they need spiritual support, they need prayer. And I just love hearing about all the ways that churches are using software to just connect with the real needs in their community, make sure people get their spiritual needs fed.
Together we minister to the least of these.
Together we make a difference.